What up, everybody? Yo, check this car out right here. This is a beautiful Audi, and look at the back tires here. Look at that gap. Look at all that snow. That's ice, literally ice. You're driving a brand new car down the road. You got nice tires on this vehicle, and look at it. What the heck? Come on, people. Yo, it really makes me kind of mad when people don't take care of their vehicles. You know what I mean? Like, you have a bunch of snow on top of the car, and you have a bunch of just junk. People just don't have time. I mean, they're busy. They don't care. Oh, it's a new car. It's a new car. Cars are meant to be taken care of. Oil changes, tire pressure. You check your liquids and fluids and tire pressures and see if everything's functioning properly, you know? But today we want to just, let me see. So I click the computer button. Hey, let's go check the vehicle information. Let's see if there's any errors and stuff. Okay, well, let's go see. Oh, everything's fine. The tire pressure is okay. Let's see if there's any issues that I should be worried about. Oh, all systems okay. Oh, so I don't have to check the tire pressure. I don't have to clean the snow off. I don't have to do anything. I just leave my car running. Just get in and drive, you know? Don't even warm it up. Because nowadays people tell you don't have to warm your car up. It's 30 below, you just start driving. No, you gotta warm your car up. One, just so your car warms up. All the moving parts need to kind of warm up. Because if you start driving and it's 30 below like it is right now, you're going to be into a lot of trouble. Parts are going to start snapping and breaking. Engines are going to, the engine itself is fine inside, but you have a lot of issues, computers and sensors and all that. You need to warm that vehicle up nice. Well, we don't want you to leave the vehicle standing there and stuff because it's not nice and just drive it. No. Anyway, holler at your boy. If you agree with me, thumb this video up. If you're from the burbs, thumb this video up. If you're from the hood, you can also thumb this video up. Holler at your boy, coming at you by. Hey, what up, everybody? Remember, I forgot something. Remember, you got to clean up your vehicle or you could possibly get a ticket. It's the law. They can get you for a lot of different things. Obstruction and, different things. They can get you for a lot of things. So just remember, clean. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. When I was a child, I spoke as a child, I thought as a child, I understood as a child, but when I became a man, I put away childish things. What does that mean? That means grow up. Get yourself a nice ride. I know, you got a reliable car, but, what about your lady, your woman, your girlfriend? It's okay when you're 15, 16, driving around, but when you're 50 and 60 and you're still driving that beater, 200,000 miles on it, Corolla, a little bit of rust on the side, it's reliable, but look, think about it. Does your girl respect you? Would your woman respect you? I know my woman never respected me. I mean, I know it's not about money. Women are not all about money. But look, when you put your wife or your girlfriend in a 1999 Corolla with 200,000 miles on it, it may run nice and sound good, but you think she's going to respect you? I'm sorry, she won't. 99% of the time, she won't. That's how just women are like that. Okay? Especially if you live in America, you got to work hard. It just shows what kind of person you are. Unless you got a nice car in the back in your garage and you're just driving this beater to work. Otherwise, please, look at this dude. He driving a Porsche right there. He driving a Porsche. He think he cool. Man, you ain't cool. This is cool. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. We live in a materialistic society and everything's about how much money you got and what kind of car you have and how big is your house, right? But that's just the kind of society we're living in. And some guys like me, look, I don't care what I drive. I mean, I like driving nice cars, but once you get a nice car, you realize it's not really about cars. It doesn't make you happy. Cars won't make you happy. I used to think, look, when I get a nice car, I'm gonna be so happy, I'm gonna be so cool, people gonna respect me, people gonna love me. But then I realized right quick that, look, it don't matter.